Today, I am deploying a custom domain on Cloudflare, faster than traditional cloud hosting and without managing a single server. For this, I am choosing a domain xcv.digital. For this, go to Cloudflare account and click on Domain tab. Enter the domain name copied from Hostinger and paste it. I am choosing the free plan here. For your project, you can choose paid plan also. Now click on Continue to Activation button to enable the domain. The next step is to replace the default name servers in Hostinger with Cloudflare's name servers. For this, copy the first Cloudflare name server. Then go to Hostinger. Name servers. Click on Change Name Servers and paste it there. Now, copy the second Cloudflare name server and paste it in the next field. Once both are added, just click Save and come back to Cloudflare domain page and confirm that you have updated your name servers, and that's it. Cloudflare will take over the DNS. It may take 1 to 24 hours like that. It mentioned, but most cases it will activate in 5 minutes. Now it got activated and you can see the DNS records. Now we need to create the DNS records for our custom domain. First, delete the existing CNAME record. We don't need the default one anymore. This clears things up so we can add our own custom domain records properly. Click on Delete Now, type Delete to confirm and remove the record. Now click on Add Record. Choose CNAME and enter www as the name. For the target, copy the DNS name from whatever project you deployed earlier and paste it here. So I'm copying the login page project here. Now we need to add the root DNS record. Click on Add Record. Choose CNAME and set the name as @. For the target, paste the same DNS name from the deployed project. Okay, we're getting an error because a root record already exists. To fix this, delete the existing A record and then save the CNAME record again. Okay, that's it. Both DNS records are added now. Now the next step is to activate the custom domain for both the root domain and the www version. To do that, go to the custom domain section in Cloudflare. From there, click on Setup Custom Domain and enter the domain here. It is xcv.digital. You'll see an option to activate the domain. Just click on Activate Domain. Cloudflare will now verify the DNS records we added and automatically enable SSL. In the same way, we also need to add the custom domain for the www version. Click on Add Custom Domain again, and this time enter www.xcv.digital. Then click on Continue and press Activate Domain. Cloudflare will verify the DNS records for the www subdomain, apply SSL automatically, and link it to our deployed project. Once activation is complete, both xcv.digital and www.xcv.digital will point to the same site. Now you enter the root domain xcv.digital. Then the site will load and type www.xev.digital. It will load the site . And that's it. Your custom domain is now live on Cloudflare . If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cloud and deployment videos.